Hello students. Now let us start a new chapter, that is cell. It is lesson 8, structural and functional unit. Now student, why we call cell the structural unit? It is called structural unit because body is made up of very minute body that is called cell. Okay, and cell is also called functional unit because the functions, all the metabolic functions or the reactions takes place inside the cell. So that is why cell is a structural and functional unit of life. Now in this chapter we're going to study the different structure of the cell and the various functions performed by the cell. Okay, so we're going to do mention topic today in this video. These are: first is types of organism, second types of cell, difference between plant and animal cell, and last the shape of the cell. So let us start. Types of organism. There are two types of organisms, student: unicellular organism and multicellular organism. Unicellular, as the name says, it is made up of only one cell, single cell. Okay, for example, amoeba, paramecium, bacteria, they are unicellular and they cannot be viewed by the unaided eyes. They can only be seen under the microscope. Okay, and another type of organisms are multicellular. They are made up of many cells, like plants, animals. They are multicellular organisms. Clear? Now let us see the shape of the cells. Cells are of different shapes according to their functions, according to their places where they are located. Their shapes varies. Like in our body, in human body, there are different types, different shapes of the cell. Like RBCs are spherical in shape, red blood cells. This is columnar epithelium. These are epithelial, found in the epithelial tissues. These are epithelial cells. The outer covering of outer membrane में पाए जाते हैं. These are epithelial cells. Ovum cells. Okay, it is found in the female body. Bone cell, they are found in the bones. And smooth muscle cells, they are found in the muscles. Muscle cells हैं ये. And nerve cell, they are branched cells, and it is the longest cell in the human body, nerve cell, and the smallest cell in the human body is RBCs. Sperm cell are found in the male body and it is a male gamete, helps in the fertilization. Okay, so these are the different shape of the cell. See, they are spherical in shape, they are column-like or square in shape. They are round in shape. Okay, they are see, nerve cell, it is branched, right? Sperm cell, it has a flagellum. Flagellum, this is a part here, like a structure which help the cell to swim. Okay, that is the function of flagellum. Let us see the another topic, that is the types of cell. There are two types of cell. They are eukaryotic and prokaryotic. Okay, eukaryotic cells are the modern cells, and prokaryotic, pro means old, so they are primitive. The primitive cells are called prokaryotes or prokaryotic cells. The difference between eukaryotic and prokaryotic is that prokaryotic, they do not have a defined nucleus. Their nuclear material is spread in the whole part of the cell. That is why it's not having a membrane bound nucleus actually. Okay, and in eukaryotes, outer membrane is present in the nucleus, so it has a well defined nucleus. Okay, this is the second difference. Third difference, prokaryotes are unicellular, whereas eukaryotes are uni as well as multicellular. Clear? So you have to understand that there are two types of cells, eukaryotes and prokaryotes, and the difference between eukaryotes and prokaryotes. Next is the different types of eukaryotic cells. See, all bacterial cells comes under, all bacterial cells are prokaryotic, ठीक है? And modern cells like eukaryotes में आ जाते हैं plant cell, animal cell, it can be अभी जो हमने दिखाए थे bone cell, neuron, these all are modern cells or they are called eukaryotic. So now let us see the difference between two eukaryotic cells, that is plant cell and the animal cell. See, plant cell and animal cell. The main difference between plant cell and animal cell is that plant cell has cell wall also. You can see this green color covering. This is called cell wall. Whereas in animal cell, cell wall is absent. Okay. First difference is of the cell wall. And second difference is plant cell consists of chloroplast. See, this is a chloroplast which helps in photosynthesis. It contains green color pigment called chlorophyll. Whereas chloroplast is absent in animal cell. They are not present. Let us come to the third difference. Vacuoles are very large and present in plant cell. But in animal cell, vacuoles are smaller in size and many in number in animal cell. Okay. So now let us come to the questions now. Who discovered cell, student? Cell is discovered by Robert Hooke. Name the longest cell. It is neuron nerve cell. Name the smallest cell of the human body. That is RBC. RBC is in the human body. But if you say name the smallest cell in general, then the name is PPLO or mycoplasma. Okay, mycoplasma. And it is full form of PPLO is pleuropneumono-like organism. See, I am writing mycoplasma again. Mycoplasma. And full form, as I have already discussed in the live class also, full form is pleuropneumono-like organism. Okay, organism. Now, after this, you can give the difference between plant cell and animal cell also after reading this, after watching this video, right? So at least 3 differences you have to learn between plant and animal cell. So thank you for watching, students, and please, if you have if you are unable to attend the live classes, online classes, please watch the video. Okay. Thank you for now.